What's up, guys? Welcome back. Just a short little video tonight, just to show you what I gotta do coming up. I got this job to do, exhaust for Subaru. Gotta take this muffler and basically just scab it right in right there. Take a section out, put the muffler in. It's all stainless, so had to order some stainless rod. I got ER309L, doing stainless. Just kind of heard it was the best for doing exhaust work, so. I haven't done much stainless work, but we're gonna see how it goes. Hopefully it goes good. So that video coming tomorrow. I gotta go get some acetone just to clean everything up. I can't back purge it, so hopefully it doesn't sugar too much on the bottom side of it. That'd be the next purchase for the TIG welder. Try to get a regulator that I can feed a little argon off of it. So anyway, stay tuned tomorrow. I'm gonna try to get it done. Try to get the video up. I don't know how long it's gonna be, but anyway, we'll see what happens. Just to go along with the video from yesterday that I uploaded this morning, I did do a time lapse when I was torquing the heads down. I did a time lapse. I never pressed record, so yeah, my bad. But anyway, next thing on the motor is going to be cleaning the valve covers up. I gotta get the push rods and the rockers in, and get the timing cover on the front, get the rear cover on the back, get the oil pan on. I need to order an oil pan gasket and like water pump gaskets, maybe a timing cover gasket, just to be on the safe side so it doesn't leak. So stay tuned. That'll be all for tonight. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.